yourself and tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Y'all have seen me install these little mini twists from Amazon 2 other times, and this is the third because I'm obsessed with them. I was going on a very long weekend with my husband and I needed a style that was super light. I just didn't feel like doing my hair, you guys. I'm at a point where sometimes I'll just be like, I'm going bald, but I'm not really gonna do that. Anyways, y'all, so I decided to do these. Here's my braid pattern. Love this braid pattern, but for crochet locks like I did for my, I think they were my Wow African crochet locks. They were my human hair. Love this for that, but not for these mini twists. Just ignore the braid that's going across my head. It just kind of ruined it. These mini twists are very small, and honestly, just doing straight back cornrows would have just been perfect like I've done before, but it is what it is. You know me, I like to try different stuff, switch it up, see what works, see what doesn't. And next time I'm going to omit the horizontal or the braid that's going across from ear to ear. But other than that, you guys, I'm just going ahead and installing these. I will also say these are really black. I got these in color 1. Don't ask me why I got these in color 1, you guys. I never do color 1. I'm definitely a 1B girl, a 2, and I've been a 4 lately. And I was contemplating on getting these in a 4, a 2 or 4, but I didn't. I don't know why. I think I just played it safe, but I feel like against my skin, which you'll see at the end of this video, it's just a lot of black against my skin tone, you know what I mean? And I'm just like, well, this would have probably worked in the fall, in the winter time, but for the summer I should have went a little bit lighter. But it is what it is. He said I was beautiful and I looked good and I felt pretty and my hair was done, so I was good to go and I wasn't taking them out. So I do want to point out a few things. Y'all see me do this tutorial twice already, especially if you follow me on TikTok, Instagram, all that kind of stuff. So I want to give you guys some tips and just things that I do and I've noticed, I guess, when installing these. Number one is the sides of my head kind of like diagonal. A lot of people have very thin like sides. I don't want to say edges because my edges are not thin, it's just the sides. Anyways, I don't know how to explain it. My point is, if you have any breakage or if you have thinning edges or if you have weak edges at the time, like mine are kind of right now, especially on the sides, not necessarily like the front or whatever. Again, it's hard to explain. Save that section for when you come across a small or thinner piece, a lighter piece. Trust me, these are already very light, so they're perfect for anybody. It doesn't matter the circumstance. It doesn't matter, in my opinion, I guess, if your hair is damaged, you're trying to grow it out. They're just a really good protective style, and they last so freaking long, okay, if you do it right. Again, I'm going to talk about that a little later in this video, but save those pieces, skip your edges until you come across those thinner pieces, those thinner mini twists, and then go ahead and fill those in. So yeah, first things first, get the appropriate color for your skin tone and for the season as well. If you like black hair, you're going to love these. And then next, wait a little bit to fill in those weak edge spots that you have. So next, y'all, I want to talk about my beloved Blue Lagoon jam. So I'm laying my edges right here, and this is when I noticed, because this had to have happened within the last 2 weeks, that I have these really bad hair loss, thinning spots on my hairline. Okay. So I went on ahead and laid my edges with my Fenty, then added my Blue Lagoon jam. And honestly, this is something I feel like I talked about this a long time ago. It must be over 5 years when I started using my Blue Lagoon jam. But this jam is so great. It's so great with keeping your edges intact, laying them, keeping them where they need to be, especially in the summertime, but it is very drying. And I feel like this is what took my edges out, okay? And so be careful with that. This is also another reason why I kind of stopped doing these back-to-back styles, especially with crochet braids, all that kind of stuff, because as much as I love to make content, I stopped doing them for a while because you're constantly manipulating your hair it causes breakage on my end, and I want to get content out for you guys, but at the same time my hair be suffering, like it be suffering, and so I have to find a balance. So it's the summertime. I'm starting to realize my balance, which is really keeping my braid pattern in. So I've kind of figured it out, but I just want to let you guys know, if you guys haven't seen a lot of these kind of styles from me, especially in the past couple years, and I've done more with wigs, it's because it really takes a toll on my hair, and I want to get content out for you guys. But again, like always, you know, using my jam and always manipulating my hair is not helping me at all. And so that's kind of where I'm at. This is kind of like a little setback for me, which really sucks, considering the fact for the past like 4 or 5 months I've been doing pretty well, but it is what it is. So yeah, just wanted to point that out there. Y'all, I'm cutting my hair. Don't do this. Don't do this, y'all. Let me just go ahead and tell you, don't cut this hair. I tried to do something different, and then y'all gonna see me start unraveling this hair as well, because I wanted to make it more full. I just wanted to make, I don't know, I was just trying different stuff with it. Okay, these mini twists I feel like can offer so much versatility, but if you're trying to keep these in for the longest time possible, don't do this. It will eventually happen over time. And so I knew I wasn't going to, but I just wanted to kind of test it out. But y'all, these mini twists should last you minimum, I would say minimum of like a month, like 4 weeks, if that. And then from there, you can start cutting. You can start, you know, switching up the style. You can start undoing the strands like I'm doing right here. But you should get at least a month to 6 weeks out of these easily, like easily. This is why I love this style so much. It's a great style, and the longer you wear it, the prettier it becomes, in my opinion, as well. Like, you don't have to take this out just because it starts to look a little frizzy, a little this, a little that. Just cut a little bit, keep it moving, keep it pushing, and you will still be good to go. This is a go-to style, also a really great back to school style as well for my teachers, my moms, my students. Y'all, this is great to swim in. I went to the pool in this style. Travel in, you get different styles as well. I just kind of left my hair alone, you guys, wrapping up this video, because my head was sore, to be honest with you, and I just wasn't doing that much. So I'm just finishing up my style here. I just put this little headband on. It's my favorite headband, don't ask me why, and I just left it as is, and this was my final outcome. So if you have yet to try this style, go ahead and try it. This is the perfect time. Summertime is the perfect time to try this style. You will absolutely love it. I will put the exact length, everything I'm wearing in the description box, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you later.
If somebody said then tell me who. Say my name, say my name, say my name is around you.